What's up, everybody? It's Sweet Crypto here. It's been a while since I posted our last video. Sorry about that. I'm trying to find a good posting schedule. Eventually it will happen, but let's do basically an update on everything. And yeah, so as usual, Animal Farm hasn't been unpaused because our developer is crappy. We're over 10,000 plants on this account. I just gotta say it again. I don't really care for all y'all haters. Forex Shark needs to get his head straight and unpause this thing. It's been months and months. I mean, if it's only been like, a couple weeks or a month that he hasn't unpaused, I'd be fine with it. But he promised, well, he didn't promise, but he said it would be unpaused in 10 days. Yeah, that was how long ago? 5 months ago? 4 months ago? Yeah, and he's just done nothing about it. So I'm disappointed. Really disappointed. I definitely won't be getting into another project of his and putting a good amount of money in. Hey, but there's good developers and there's bad developers, so yeah. And quickly, don't get me wrong with Drip. He did a good job on Drip. For sure. Just Animal Farm, he could have done way better. Could have actually said what he was gonna do, and unpause it instead of this contract balance going under 400,000. If he just could just unpause this, I don't even know. He may have just ghosted this. That would suck. If he can just unpause this would skyrocket. This would help Drip if he unpauses the Animal Farm, because people are using this and selling it off. That's why Drip is really low. It's at freaking $10. But this would probably skyrocket to 800,000 liquidity, and then 1,000, and then Drip maybe at $40, $30. I don't know, and then people would be doing great on Animal Farm. Now we talk about Drip. Here, let me compound this. Let's compound this. Okay. We go ahead. We talk about. Oh, do I need more BNB in here? No, I'm good. We talk about Drip. Drip. $10, man. $10. Hey. I mean, I'm gonna take the L. Okay. I'm going to yeah, this sucks. It sucks, man, because I put a lot of money in this myself, but $6,000. I'm down like 5,600, which sucks. And yeah, but we gotta keep on pushing. I mean, you never know, it could go up. I mean, just it hurts a little bit, but yeah, I'm gonna take some of my rewards and sell and put some back in. Like, I'll put like 4 back in. Oops, not hydrate, deposit. Actually, no, I don't even want it to be in here. Screw that. Oh, I just want it to be my wallet, so if I want to sell, I'm gonna sell. Let's sell some of this Drip. Let's go to Drip. Oh, I'm down 5,700 then. Dang, that's a lot. Let's. Oh, wait, don't we want to? Yeah, we'll keep some. I'll sell. Nah, screw that. I'm selling all of it. No, I'll sell 10. I'll keep 2. Yeah. Hey, but sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some. This is the biggest loss I've ever taken. Which kind of sucks. No, actually, I took a bigger loss in this. It wasn't really a loss. So, like last year, I invested into this thing called Munch. I made good money. And then on a second account, I pretty much broke even, and it was worth like 23,000. No, I was giving advice. So I was giving advice to someone close to me, and I said to sell off like half. When it was at 23 grand, they didn't, and it ended up being worth like 1,000. So I was like at 20 grand. You know, not really a loss, but it was a loss. I mean, you could have sold it at 23,000, but yeah. Anyway, okay, I'm getting way ahead of what I'm even talking about. Yeah, that's about drip. Let's talk about this. Let's see this for Titanium. I haven't been on here in a while. Oh my god. Do you see this price? Jeez. The winner received 1 million Titano. The 1 million Titano would have been like 100 grand or like 200 grand at its height. 21 million market cap, 82,000. What? What's our account at? If it's lower than 1,000, then our account was at $4,000 at all-time high. I did sell off some, but maybe a couple $100. Wow, that is very bad. Jeez, what the heck happened? What the heck? I guess people they should have never made this UI change. I mean, it looks good. They should have never done it. I mean, it looks good. It looks good. 130,000. Alright, what world? No. Oh my gosh. Okay, so our account is $300, so I'm lost on this. That sucks. That sucks. Yeah, that's basically it for that. And then we go on my account. And then we have $56 on here. I want to recompound, but I want to sell off. But at the same time, I'm like, it's $56. Doesn't mean a whole lot. Yeah, it means a whole lot. Harvesting. Wait, hold up. How much BNP do I have? Ah, shoot. I barely have any. Okay, I don't care. Yeah, I'm harvesting that. It's $56. Yep. Yeah, but I mean, I haven't really tried to look at any new projects. I just don't want to. I don't want to. I'm sick of this stuff. I'm not sick of DeFi, but I'm sick of how it's been running. All these scams, all this stuff. Like, there always was scams back like a year ago, 2 years ago, but it was way less, and it was more about getting a good project out there. Now it's just putting a project together, making YouTube videos about it or marketing about it, and then, get money from the project. That's what DeFi is about right now, and I don't like it at all. That's why I'm not doing new projects. I'm not going to invest my money into new projects that aren't even good. I'm going to do that screen real quick. What am I trying to go at? Oh, yeah, my bad. Here, let me undo this. Okay. Yeah, it's on Ford. Wait, did this not even... Wait, what? BOSD token. Hold on. Did I not even get anything? Oh, I got LPs, didn't I? Yeah, I got liquidity. No, I didn't. Okay. It's BUSD and then drip. I don't think I have any drip. Drip. Oh, gosh dang. Okay, now I got it. Okay, how long? 9 minutes. Yeah, I'll do that another time. Or like after the video. We'll go to Piston. Actually, we'll go to Elephant Money. Elephant Money, I really haven't heard much about any of these things. But I'm just compounding, man. I mean, yeah, I don't plan on selling. I just compound. There's no point in selling. I mean, I'd never sold any of my Animal Farm stuff, but I'm getting a little scared about it, so might as well take some money out. Get some money back, I guess. So this should be good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. And we'll go to Piston and then Splash. We'll do a Splash airdrop soon. I don't know when, but soon. Let's go to the race. Oh shoot, we have a lot in here. We have a lot. I don't know what the price was. Oh geez, it's 187. Yeah, the price definitely dipped. What is autopilot? Rather than compounding manual every day, let's choose a number of days. Have your daily Piston rewards auto. Oh. Whoa, that is sick. That is sick. Auto compound. How much balance do I have? Oh. I'll do 5 days. I'll do 4 days, so it makes me actually, that is so sick. See, I really like Piston, dude. It's one of my favorite projects. Actually, sorry, I'm yawning. It is my favorite project. What is this? I don't know what that was, but yeah, I like this project a lot. It needs to be heard of more. Spread the word about it. I barely have any. I only have 22. Maybe I should buy more. I don't know. $9. Well, that's awesome. Join my Piston team too. Let's go to Splash. Splash. I keep on saying it wrong. Splassive. Let's go to AVAX. Let's do it to $1. Nice. Let's go. Woohoo. 74. I'm gonna compound some and then I compound and sell. That's what I pretty much do. No, cancel. I'll close these out. Oh shoot, yeah, I needed to sell. Dang it. Alright, well, what I'm basically gonna do is compound like 10. Let's compound this. And then I'm just gonna sell some. And I'll hold some too for an airdrop. Yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys later on the next one. Peace out.